Hi sweeties, welcome back. I wanted to show you the Home Goods in TJ Maxx that I go to all the time. Some people don't know it's a double. There's a lot of good stuff. Look, wait until you see. Yep, I ran into these the whole time I was hunting for 3 days. It was unbelievable. Sit back and enjoy the hunt, guys. I also wanted to tell you that there is a lot of the same thing that's out there. So if you thought you saw this last week, you probably did. Not all the stuff is flying off the shelves. So it looks like it's, redundant. You see it over and over again. But when you're not expecting it, there'll be something hidden. So that's why I always kind of creep around and look a little closely. OMG, are you kidding me? And there's wilds behind there. Look at all these. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I had to call my friend Hollie. She came flying over and you wouldn't believe what she got. just want to show you, this is the clearance part at TJ Maxx, and look at all the RAE DUNN that's on clearance. I'll show you a couple items. That's $4.50. I'll check what this one is. That's $6. Maybe you guys like these little souffles. $10. The little pepper sellers. Look at all the canisters and stuff that are back there. All the granolas. There's 3 on that shelf. Another 4 down there. The cookie jars. The teapots. Here's a winter one. It's the big snow ornament. Let's see how much that is on clearance. $10. I don't know what the regular price of this. I've never seen one before. So there's 2 of those. I mean, there is just stuff all over. Oh, we didn't see how much the teapots were. Let's see. $12. Look at the colanders. Trying to get underneath. Look at all this stuff. Let me go see how much this granola is. Let's see. $10. How much was that? I don't even know. Espresso cups. $12.
All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between ever met you lost. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain.
Deep end, we're alive, living life underwater. Let's spend all we've got.